Okay.
All right, fam, this is your brother Lou from GLK. Good afternoon. As I stated yesterday, we are introducing the pups to puppy mush. I've made puppy mush there in the tray, and this is the first introduction, their first introduction to puppy mush. So we're gonna see how this works out. And they growling and barking and everything. I need. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna start with Tiny first. Y'all see Tiny. I'm gonna see how she reacts. Let's see. Dang, this might be too tall for Tiny.
It is.
Let's get her nose wet. She's licking a little bit. She's like, what is this?
I think you should see the other ones doing it. She might join in. Maybe
Okay.
she put the other ones out first.
All right. Let's grab this guy. Oh, look at this. He's towering way over.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
Introduce them to it on my finger. Uh-oh. They said, nah, I don't want that. Where the milk at?
Right.
Yeah. Let's put another one out here. Let's see what he say. Put their nose in it. Let them lick it a little bit. Let's get this one here. Bring him out. Let's get that. Come here. No. Okay, there you go. Your nose is in it a little bit. Okay. All right.
But he about to try to get away.
He like, I don't want that crap. He say, I don't want that. She say, I don't want that crap. Let me get down here real quick. Come over here.
Ooh, he chunky. That gray one.
Mm-hmm.
Don't stay out there acting a fool.
Mm-hmm. Come back over here. Stay on the mat. As a matter of fact, would you? Never mind, I'll do it.
What you need? I'm up.
I'm gonna do it from here. I'm gonna do it from here because it may be a little too thick. You know what I'm saying? And it may not be enough for them to lap it up.
Be careful. One of them is right by your foot.
Okay. Yeah, it might be a little too thick.
Don't step back without looking. I'm surprised they moving towards the washing machine with it making all that noise.
Yeah, this might be a little more mushier for them. Yeah, I think so.
The ones in the boxes over there hiding up under the fold.
All right.
Look out.
Uh-oh. All right, let's try this again. Shut up. Okay. That's a little bit on her nose and mouth. And that's a little bit on his nose and mouth. Let him taste it. That's a little bit on his nose and mouth.
This guy getting away.
All right. All right.
He is really intrigued by this washing machine.
All that whining.
That's probably doo-doo.
No, that ain't. That's the puppy mush all on his chin, knucklehead. All right. And now let's try this. Yeah, let's see. All right, that's the first day. First day introduction. Oh, I'll be quiet. There you go. Yeah, they licking it up off my finger. Well, this one is. Maybe I need to do them all like that. Okay.
It look like that little white one looked like he might have drunk some milk before he came in. He's so fat around the stomach. But it might not be hungry.
Who you talking about, Tiny?
Yeah.
Yeah. She look like she might be trying to pee on the rug.
She just be.
Huh?
She just be.
All right. So that's the first introduction to the puppy mush. Let me see. They got some little teeth.
I seen them yesterday when one of them yawned.
It's licking the side. And this one licking my arm.
He licking stuff off of his face. The
Right.
light brown one is licking stuff off of this gray and white one face.
Right. Come here. Now, everybody is getting an introduction. Then I'll mix the rest of this into the mama food. All right, everybody has had a bit nibbled off my hand here. All right, let me. She fat in the mug. Let me give you some more. Yeah, it's the middle of the day. They might be. Yeah, you're right. They might be full. I need to probably do it early in the morning. Come here. All
or
right.
bring them in for a while, you know.
Yeah, well, this is also part of the weaning process, so they'll oh, where you going? Yeah, they full, cause they're not even licking right now. Come here. All right. And then we gotta do individual pictures, like you said, with little Tiny. Oh boy, my knee hurts. Boy, you can tell I'm getting old. Ow. All right.
You done with your recording? Or you?
Yeah. The recording is done. So that was the first day of the introduction. Of the puppy mush. Tomorrow. What is it? Oh, a leaf. Tomorrow we will. Well, later today we'll resume. I'm not gonna get rid of that until they get fed, because I'm gonna feed them twice today. I'm gonna introduce them to this twice today. So that was the introduction to the puppy mush, and look for this video on all of our social media platforms as well, just like the video from yesterday. All right, this is Lou from GLK signing out. Have a good day.